Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Prashant Sabodar, proprietor of Swimming Pool and Spa. Recently we have completed one project almost 4 months back, and now we are doing maintaining the pool as well. So here we have this is a property from Sapnaraj project. The project name is Ilara, and this is in Vagator. And here we have done 4 plunge pools with a pipeless filtration, and it is connected with the waterfall. So now I will show you the project and brief you about the project. Okay. So this is the project. This is a small plunge pool. You can see this is a pipeless filtration that side, and this is a waterfall here. And this side you can see uh, here is the sitting arrangement is done. Now I will take you to the back side where there are 2 plunge pools are there, where there is a slight size difference, front side and the back side. Back side size is 5 meter by 2.8 meter. The front side size is 2.8 meter by 3 meters. So it is a small plunge pools with the filtration system and with the waterfall. So here you can see now this plunge pools with the back side of a size of this 5 meter by 2.8 meter. Okay, so you can see this is a pipeless filtration here. Now I will take you to the 4th plunge pool. uh, this entire project turnkey work is done by us, right from excavation till granite coping work. Okay, so I thanks to this builder who trusted us for this project. So uh, 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 this is for today. So thank you very much. We'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.